Hello there everyone, this is Lilith and welcome to another one of my videos here on the Altenew YouTube channel. Today I'll be showing you how I created this 12 by 12 layout using the new Enjoy the Ride collection from Altenew. This collection is perfect for scrapbooking and crafting, so sit back and enjoy. So let's get started. First thing, I'm going to look through the 12 by 12 paper pack and pick a couple of designs I really like. I will do the same with the 6 by 6 paper pack and pick more subtle backgrounds that I will use for the layering on my layout. Once I've got those papers ready, I can put everything to one side and start working on the layout. A really useful tip for that 6 by 6 paper pack is to clip it all together with a little clip, and that way your papers won't fall out and they will be nicely together in that little paper pack. You could use the embellishments from the ephemera pack, but I'm just going to use this pattern paper and cut all of them out. I just wanted to show you that you don't necessarily have to get the ephemera pack. You can always just get the pattern paper and create your own embellishments. And some of these designs are not in the ephemera pack, so cutting them out by hand is really fun too. So I've got all the elements I need, and now I'm going to look through the Bouquet Builder ephemera pack and just pick a couple of leaves and flowers that I think will work well with the layout. I might not use all of them, but I'm just going to pull a couple of them out, and if I don't use them, I'll just pop them back in. So let's get started on the design. I really love a white background, but I didn't want it to be too white, so I'm going to add a bit of watercolor to that, and I'm using lime from the watercolor brush collection, and I'm just adding that to my paper and then adding a bit of water just to water it down a bit. I'm not using watercolor for this, so I'm working really quickly and not adding too much water, and I'm heat setting it really quickly as well so that the paper won't warp too much either. Once I've got that down, I'm going to start with my cluster in the middle where my photo is going to be highlighted. And so I'm just cutting a couple of those 6 by 6 papers to size to use them on my layout. The blue paper I just tore a little bit. That adds a fun little detail to the layout. Once I'm happy with certain elements, I start gluing them down immediately. What is really fun in this collection is the washi tape that coordinates super well because the designs are very similar to the papers in the paper pack. I'm going to look through my 6 by 6 paper pack again because I didn't have enough papers. I'm going to use this lovely one with the little leaves and on the other side the nice little dots and just add them to my section and create more layers. And once again adding a little paper until I'm happy with the overall design. So now that I've got everything down, I'm going to start adding my flowers and my little camera. The little camera in the bottom, that's an idea I stole from one of my older layouts, which dates from a couple of years back, and I really like the idea of having the camera at the bottom. So once I'm happy with how all of those embellishments are placed on the layout, I can start gluing them down. Now for the little cage, I decided to poke a hole in that little ring at the top and then thread through a little bit of twine and hang it from the top. That way you get the impression that the cage is hanging from the top of the page. A little later on you will see me create my title. I will use the coordinating alpha set or the alphabet sticker sheet that comes in this collection. And I'll also add a couple of little journaling elements. So there you have it. The layout is almost complete. I hope you enjoyed this little video tutorial. For more information on all the products used, please visit the Altenew Mixed Media blog. I will leave a link in the description box, and you will also get a link to all of the supplies I used. Thank you so much for joining me. Stay safe and happy crafting, and I'll see you very soon. Bye bye.
crafters, I hope you enjoyed that video. If you want to see more, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss anything. Thanks for watching!